How to use FaceApp for professional photo editing. First of all, open FaceApp on your device. To start, upload a high quality photo by tapping the photo icon or take a new one using the camera icon. For professional results, choose well-lit photos with clear faces. Once your photo is loaded, explore the wide range of editing tools and filters available. You can use FaceApp's filter such as makeup, smiles, hairstyle, hair color, and more to add different effects and styles to your photo. You can also try the age and gender filters creatively to produce diverse looks for client previews or artistic projects. To maintain a professional look, apply subtle edits instead of heavy filters. Use the face retouch tools to remove blemishes and wrinkles while keeping the skin tone even and natural. The makeup filters can add polish but keep it light and elegant. After editing, review your photo carefully and adjust the intensity of each effect to ensure it looks professional and not overdone. Finally, save your edited photo in high resolution by tapping the save icon. Now you know how to use FaceApp for professional photo editing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.